Hey guys, as you've seen from the title, today we're going to Las Vegas. Unfortunately, Carol couldn't come on this one because she's got to work, but I'm going with my parents. Here they are. Excited for Vegas? Yeah. So it's about 3 hours to Vegas here from Houston, and yeah, I'll see you then. Slot machines in the airport, definitely in Vegas. Just arrived here in Vegas, we're in the hotel room now. It's called the Silver Sevens Hotel and Casino, I think. Pretty funny walking in an entrance and it's all casino, but it's a hotel as well. Never seen that before. And we're about 2 blocks away from the Strip. We're probably gonna go there later on today, but first we're gonna head to a cool spot in the mountains that I've been to before and see some of the nature before, and then later on we'll immerse ourselves in the madness of Vegas. Guys, so we've literally driven just like 25 minutes out of the city and you already get some completely like insane mountainous landscapes. Check this out. So all the way around, some awesome mountains. So we're gonna be heading to some right over there to do a trail right now. Got people rock climbing right here. So we did this trail, a little trail called Calico Spring Trail, I think it's called. And all around us just have these amazing rock formations. It's like 360 though if you look around. And yeah, you just got people like hiking, rock climbing, stuff like that. Really cool place. Looking forward to the next proper trail. So we're not doing a very good job of finding this trail that we're looking for. Keep seeing these different like viewpoints everywhere with even better views. So now we're really close to the rock. So this rock here is called calicos or something, and it is sandstone rock. So this is the red rocks that you're seeing everywhere. Then all the way around again, even over here. Huge mountains in the background. It's impressive, isn't it? Calico tanks, right? Okay, now we're doing the trail that we wanted to do. It's called Calico Tanks and it's about, I think, 2.2 miles. And it says it's easy to moderate, but apparently you get like cool views of Las Vegas and just, yeah, cool views of the rocks. And it's interesting, now all the rocks have turned a yellow color, but you can see it's like yellow and red here still. So like I said, just really interesting seeing all these mix of colors. It's funny how it's all in the same place. You alright?
Yeah, cool.
The trail has now turned to sand. All around us looks pretty amazing right now. It's beautiful, isn't it, man? What are you taking a photo? Whoa. Alright, the trail's getting more hardcore now. My parents are going for it though. 60-year-old goals, mum. Hey, not many 60-year-olds can do this, I bet. Alright, finally reached the top. I wouldn't say it was moderate though, or easy. It was pretty tough at some points. I think my parents are staying back there. But yep, this is the final hurdle. You see all the cool orange mountains. And all the way in the distance over there, Las Vegas. There it is. See the tower there? That's pretty much the main strip. Whew, what a hike. Alright, we're back in the car park now. It was a lot quicker getting back down, obviously. I think the mountain that we climbed up was that one, all the way over there. Right at the top of that one there. So basically we walked all the way around over there, around the back of it, and then up, and then right over there. Anyway, time to head back into the downtown of Vegas. Wait. So we had a bit of a rest after the hard trails that we did. We're all been pretty wiped out after that. And we just grabbed a bite to eat some Italian food, and now we're heading to the strip. Probably gonna be really quickly though, because yeah, we're just so tired, but we're only 1 block away, so we might as well check it out. Heading back now. Didn't really last very long there. It was only about like 20 minutes, I guess. None of us are really in the mood for that. It's just too many people for me right now, since I'm tired. I think you have to be in like the right vibe for Vegas to handle Vegas, and that's pretty much like go all out insane party mode, and I'm not in that vibe. It's also not the reason I brought my parents here. I brought them here to do the cool nature things that are around. And that's what we're going to be doing on the next few days as well. Some more cool like hikes and some amazing nature places. Tomorrow I'm actually going to one of my favorite national parks here in the US. So that's what's coming up tomorrow. So I will see you in the next one.